Bump X Zenly team app. So this is a new Zenly app. If you remember, Zenly was the top social map app, hundreds of millions of users, but then it was kind of removed from the app store. I don't know what happened. So now there are a lot of alternatives. So this is one of the top ones. It's built by Ammo team, which also built some other social media apps. So it says that it's from Zenly team, the original location sharing app loved by hundreds of millions. And this app has a lot of features, like literally a lot, and all of it for free. So a lot of very hidden features. And if you just open the app, you just might see that it's quite simple, but they have a lot of hidden features and you need to explore it when you get used to the app. So yeah, you just see friendly location sharing. So this is the first one. You can see who your friends are with, their better level, how long they've been somewhere, their exact address, their speed when they're on the go. Know when your friends are at home, work, or school. Hear what your friends are listening to right now. You can connect Spotify, Apple Music. You can build your own scratch map of everywhere you have been with your phone in your pocket. Compete with friends on 100% of your local area. See all the places where you spend the night and who you with. Get there en route to join your friends with Apple Maps. Share your live ETA to your friend's lock screen. Buzz your friends when nearby to get your attention. Check your phones to bump. Turn your photos and videos into stickers to send whenever you want. Get notified when friends travel to other states. Add location widgets. Join your school to see a directory of everyone there. Also works for friends who don't have iPhones. So free app. So this is the app. Basically, here you can see that's the idea of it. In the top, you can see how many people checked your location on the map today, and then you can see it like that. But the more you're using the app, the more people checking you out in the map, the more features you unlock. So it's quite cool gamified approach. And then you just have all the kind of people you can add. Then there is a feature like scratch map. When you just going with your phone, you kind of scratching the map. It's kind of cool. You need to enable like location to always allow for that. And then also you can just search for your friends. And then there is your profile. You have your intro, which you can just share this link to grow your intros. You have your profile. You can have your face. You can record it somehow. It also been synced with some other apps by Ammo. So it's like ID by Ammo or some other apps by this company. Then there is personalization. You can manage your friend list. You can connect music. So you can connect Apple Music, connect Spotify, and then connect your music to be able to see what your friends are listening to. Change your map style from here. There's ski mode. I don't know, like add ski slopes and lift to your map. Units, you can change it. That's here. Then if the more friends you have, you can unlock more icons, and I guess the more friends you have, you can unlock more functionalities. To add your friends, you just tap to add friends. You can allow contacts. You can send to friends on Snapchat. You can send invite links. You can see suggested friends. You can also just add friends nearby just by bumping. So if you just bump your phone, I guess then you just add them. So that's the feature. So something like that. That's how you add friends in here. So that's the feature. So that's kind of the idea. Yeah, usually it's kind of like Gen Z app in here. So that's so that's basically the idea of it. Um, then yeah, you can just explore it. I guess there are a bit more feature. Yeah, then there are some notifications in here. Um, so there is some gallery. Take a look and pick artist. So then yeah, you can just use it as a notification icon. So there are a lot of these little nice things, hidden features, which I guess you just need to explore the app. But the basic feature, it's working really nice. It's working really nice with friends. You can see where your friends located, and the thing is, um, like yeah, it's working nicely, but it still need to be popular in your area. So it's not that popular, obviously, as Zenly app. So you need to have a lot of friends who are also using this app. Then it's kind of becomes more fun. So that's just basically what it is. So yeah, that's basically the idea. That's the app. It also works with Android phones. So yeah, it can be usable. I don't know when if they have completely functional Android app. So this is let's just check it out. So I will just search by it. So let's just check it out. So nope, it should be available also on Android. So yep, it's there as well. So yeah, this is kind of the apps. If you're looking for some alternative to Zenly, this is one of the top ones. Another is Mixerbox BFF location tracker app. So this is another one. But yeah, at the moment, this is what it is. You can see that there are already like 100,000 plus downloads on there, and this app is available in multiple countries. So it works especially good with the newest iOS 18. So you need to upgrade to iOS 18 to basically to uncover all of the features, and then yeah, it works really well when like you're using like all right. So for example, to install the widgets, you just tap and hold, and let's just try to search this app. So bump. For me, it's maybe it's maybe you need to restart the app, but then it also works well with these dynamic activities where you can see who is when your friends are arriving, when your friends are nearby, and all these notifications. Uh, you can enable ghost location, spam friends with stickers. So I guess some of the features are only working if you're on iOS 18. I don't know why I can't add the widget. It's a bit strange. So seems it's a bit buggy, to be honest, but yeah, that's kind of the app. So go try it out.